out, pink polos, I hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara Renaye. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit. It was sent to me from WestKissHair. Let me tell y'all from now that the quality of this unit is top tier. All details will be down in the description box below. As always, I'm sharing with y'all all the goodies I received in my package and the construction of this unit. It does come with a headband sewn inside, so you can really do, you will have that snug fit and you can really do the put on and go type of thing, but you will have to use a tad bit of like got-to-be spray or the ebony spray that I use to just hold the lace in place. But yo, you guys, this unit, when I tell you I didn't have nothing, I had no work to do with this wig. I got this wig and I plopped it on my head. It came with these cute bouncy curls. It was definitely giving me Shirley Temple vibes, but it's too curly for my liking. So as always, y'all, we're gonna go in with the ebony lace adhesive, and we're just gonna put that on and help to keep this wig in place and melt that lace. And now the lace, the construction, the quality of this unit, the lace is so thin that it melted with ease. Like the hair was looking like it was growing from my scalp, and that is something I absolutely love. This came pre-plucked. The knots were bleached. I did not have to do anything. You guys know I usually apply some of my foundation onto the lace. I did none of that. Plot this on my head and it looks so good. Okay, you will see my sister's hand. She made an appearance. I just wanted her to help me to cut the ear tabs because this unit is so beautiful. Like I didn't even want to screw it up, and I wanted just a second pair of hands and a second pair of eyes to help cut the ear tabs for me. So like I said, I didn't have to do anything to the hair, but due to the curls being as curly as it was, I did want a different style, different type of curl. So I went in with my Revlon curling wand. I don't know the specific name, but as you can see, like the wand base is purple. And I purchased that from Walmart. And I'm just gonna throw in some nice random wand curls throughout the hair. And you guys already know I love to use my IGK Crybaby hair serum. That serum is thebomb.com. So I did apply some of that onto the hair and then I curled it. And to be honest with you guys, this install was so quick and easy because this hair already came in a good state that it required little to no work. Besides applying some ebony spray to obviously lay the lace and then, you know, just throw in some curls, like I really had nothing else to do with it. So big shout outs to WestKissHair. This is a company that has amazing hair, good quality units. And I'm not just saying that, like this is a known fact, okay? So again, all hair details will be down in the description box below. So if you are interested, do check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop your comments below, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye. Follow me on TikTok at tamara.renaye. Keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenaye.com. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.